Grex fine wire staplers available for all major staple types. The flat wire and wide crown makes the 50 series staple the most versatile fine wire staple used in manufacturing, and it fits the Grex 50AD-LNS long nose industrial stapler. Simple, effective design is reliable and easy to maintain. Like all Grex products, this model has the metal construction you expect in an industrial quality tool. Easy threaded access to all major internal parts. Exceptionally lightweight piston and driver pin delivers fast cycling times and rapid firing rates for maximum productivity. The extended nose design reaches into tight places and is also ideal for tufting. The wide crown and flat wire profile makes the versatile 50 series staple ideal for lighter, looser fabrics and naugahyde. The rear-facing exhaust port means more comfortable operation. The slim profile and compact rounded body design delivers maximum visibility of the work area. Easy to operate lever-style magazine latch with drop-in staple loading means faster reloads, and the textured rubber grip provides all-day comfort.